Long press. Whoa, what the heck happened there, dude? I don't think that was supposed to happen. Another gimbal. Right up there. It's the Vimble 2S. So I'm gonna open it up for you. I'm gonna test it out real quick. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Basically, we do reviews, vlogs, and I talk about business and how I have transitioned to the Philippines. Today, I'm going to do a product review. I got something in the mail a couple days ago. I haven't opened it because I haven't had any time. So I wanted to share with you what I got.
Just a quick disclaimer. I am not a professional. I'm a layman. So this is going to be an honest review, first impression review of this particular gimbal. And I'm very simple. I just need it for vlogging. And because most people get gimbals for the stability. So that's pretty much what I do. And maybe you can too. So here we go.
I'm going to test it out real quick and see how it really competes with Zhiyun Smooth 4 that I have. Check out the video over here. I did a review and a vlog set for that one. I bought Ruby another gimbal. I thought Gremlin and gimbal at the same time. That's what happened. I bought Ruby another gimbal. I wanted to open it for you today, see what's inside the box. I don't really have that much experience with this gimbal. I don't really even have that much experience with the Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal, but I'm trying to get used to it. The only feature that my wife really likes about this particular gimbal is that it stretches out like a selfie stick. So I'm really looking forward to opening this up, and I hope you are too. We get this sleek little box. So once again, Feiyutech. It's very similar, from what I see now, it's very similar to the box. It's very similar to the carrying case of the Zhiyun Smooth 4 case. Styrofoam, supposed to be impact resistant, I'm sure. Nice carrying case. Let's open it up. I hope nothing falls out. Ready? Boom, there it is. There is your gimbal. Check that gimbal out, babe. Well, this is gonna be my wife's.
Why it's so big?
That's what she said.
It's not that big. Not compared to this thing. Okay, there it is, right there. What do you get in the box? Okay, we have the actual gimbal, and we have it's an extended handle, but this will serve as the table tripod. Let's put this down here. This is the actual gimbal itself. I'll give you a quick review of how it feels in the hand, and I'll put it right here. What do we have here? Let's put this away real quick. We have this box right here. We have a box, small little box. What do we have right here? This small little box. Let's focus in right there. Yep. Okay, what's inside? We get two things. Let's put that aside right here. Without even knowing or looking, this is probably the charger for this. So you get one charger. And okay, let me spill this out right here. Salt Bay. So, okay, I'm not gonna lie, I did see this online. These are the charging ports or adapters for this is a lightning port, so for your iPhones and stuff like that, and things like that of that nature. Mini USB, Type C. So we're gonna attach the extension handle / table tripod mount onto the gimbal. Okay, let's focus in there. It's not as wide as my Zhiyun Smooth 4, but it does do the job. I haven't gone through the manual yet, but so you have a trigger right here. This is going to be a USB. I don't know if you can see. That's your USB right there. This is going to be where you probably charge. Right up in there. From what I saw from the videos, this is going to be your zoom in, zoom out. This is only going to work with Feiyutech app. This is one feature I do like right here. Is going to be the joystick. This is pretty cool right here. This is your power on and off button. This is your record button right here. Taking pictures as well. This button right here also serves as your mode selector. There's two locking mechanisms. One right here and one right here. I made a mistake. I should have put a light right behind me. Sorry. Let's see if we can start it up, dude. Let's power it up. I got my ghetto rig right there. That's a ghetto stack right there. So let's turn it on. Let me unlock it first. Right, unlock. Long press. Whoa, what the heck happened there, dude? Oh yo, why is it shaking? I don't think that was supposed to happen there. I don't know if I broke it there. I do have a phone handy right here. The good thing about this is that it allegedly fits many phones. It might give you issues with the iPhone 11 Max from what I hear, but I'm gonna just test it out with my old iPhone 6s. Phone's in. I have unlocked it here. I have unlocked it here as well. I am sure with setting up and everything, you still have to balance. As you can see, it's obviously not balanced, but let me see if I can. So your slight adjustments are right through here, pushing it in and out. The good thing is that it does have, as you can see, you can see that. The issue I have with this is that I believe because it is like mostly plastic and the Zion Smooth 4 is the top end is metal. I'm afraid if I'm clumsy, I fall and I drop this thing like really hard, it might crack by the arms. Maybe not break the motors, but crack the arms. Me pushing it in on and like over and over again, I don't know what's gonna happen. So that needs to be tested. But as far as setting it up to balance it out, very quick for me. Right here, this is a setting right here. It's that reading right there. Right there. Now I am going to push it in just a tad bit. A bit still not balanced. Just push it in even more. Oh, I'm gonna pull it out just a little bit. So now right there, that looks pretty balanced right now at the moment. For me, it looks pretty balanced. Long press. Perfect. I guess you have to balance this thing prior to turning it on, or it's gonna do that little shimmy. I hope I didn't break it because my wife's gonna kill me. First impressions. A lot lighter than the Zion Smooth 4, I gotta say. A lot lighter. Way lighter. Just a lot lighter. Oh wow, okay, cool. Now I'm not a pro at this stuff, but I'll tell you right now, it just feels like this joystick is a game changer. I go left, slow pan, let's keep it still. I'm following cars, I'm following motorcycles right now in my brain. Right? It goes left, it goes right, it's smooth, goes up, goes down. I might have to buy one for myself, bro. I might have to put this Zion Smooth 4 to the shelf. First mode, I believe, is now from what I saw from videos, double clicking just like this one on the Zion is resetting the I guess default. I don't know what mode I'm in now, but I believe this is pan follow. I go left. If I have to say, it moves just a tad bit quicker than the Zion Smooth 4. Now, my wife will probably intend to use this just based on the camera, and probably just use this joystick feature as well as just the gimbal feature of it, the stability feature of it. I don't think she's gonna go as far as downloading the app. The biggest thing why my wife wanted this gimbal was because of this feature. Let me turn this sucker back on. Is because of this. You got about an easy 8 inches there. Your shots could technically be good when you're vlogging. So let me take a quick video of myself here. So this is on the phone. This is with the gimbal extension all the way out right here. So you can definitely get some wide angles from here, especially when you're vlogging and stuff like that. Now let me pull it back in for you to show you the difference of, now I'm gonna say what? What do you think, guys? Almost 22 inches. Fully extended, you pull from here. Fully extended, just close to 3 feet, man. And I gained, let me stay in the same area right now. Okay, go in. See, I don't know if you see that picture right there, if we see the edges. Just also almost like having a wide angle lens, but not really wide angle lens. You be the judge. What do you think about it? I like it. So I have to say, like, let me get some video coverage here. So this is on the default mode, as you can see. It'll follow. It is pretty quick, as you can see. I'm gonna be speaking, but I'm gonna be just moving left and right. The panning, super agile, almost similar to the more advanced one on the Zion 4. But yeah, just moving around. This is a general understanding right now of this Vimble. So it's not like I really completely understand how to use it, but for a newbie just to get on it and how it's working right now, it's pretty intuitive. It's very intuitive for me, because this is like if I'm taking a picture of a car, just vlogging around, it is super light as well compared to this thing. Maybe because I have a lot of stuff on there. It's pretty sweet. Now let me try to get into I'm gonna keep it still, right? I'm gonna videotape myself right there. So this is me if I had like a nice scene. This is just pan to the left, pan to the right. That is pretty intuitive, man. Pan up, pan down. Yo, I'm having regrets with this Zion Smooth 4. I really am right now, bro. The only thing that I do like about the Zion, it feels a bit more sturdy. I'm a bit clumsy. If I do drop it, this right here might just crack. I don't know. But just based on first impressions, I'm digging it. I'm really digging it. I'm going to play around with it more. I'm pretty excited. I really am. This is the price that I paid for it right here. The link's going to be down below. I'm digging it. Outside of quality issues, for me, great, like really quick on the go setup compared to this thing. I'm having a little bit of regrets, honestly. However, I don't really think it can. I'm going to do a comparison video of these two gimbals as far as which one's more practical. Durability, reliability, practicality, compactability. Is that a word? I just try to flow with the ability. Other than that, thank you for watching. Greatly appreciate it. I appreciate your time. My name is Gus Vergara. Thank you for watching Do My Life. Really appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up if you can. Really helps the algorithm. Helps me get closer to doing this full time. And helps me struggle less. It will probably make me struggle more because I gotta make more content, which is okay because it puts me under pressure to consistently produce, which I would love to do full time. So, peace. Bye. Oh, it's hot. These lights are hot, dude. I just bought another gimbal. I just bought another gimbal from Feng Shui.